Welcome back to Daytime Live. Remember that Jackira's album Royal Soldier has a live launch on Fame FM and it begins on Thursday at 7 p.m. from 7 to 9, so make sure you check that out. Right now though, we are joined by Mrs. Christina Hudson, and she's the director of Kind Hearts Foundation, and she's here to talk to us about the charity event called the Color Me Happy Run.
Thanks for having me.
How are you, Christina?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Okay, so tell us, how many years has the Color Me Happy Run been going? How long has that been going?
So this is the 6th year that we're doing the Color Me Happy Run, and it's the 5th year that Kind Hearts is associated with the run.
So tell us what makes this run different from other running events.
Okay, so Color Me Happy is the first powder charity run to be put on in Jamaica. It is a little bit different. We kind of cater to, you know, families and some younger people, make it a little bit fun. And after the 5K, you enter into a party. So an after party with some DJs, a little bit of fun. It's just a good time.
Okay, so tell us, what will be happening this year and where will it be taking place?
Okay, so every year it is at Hope Gardens. We have parking at Hope Gardens as well as Mona. So I was told to tell you guys that parking is closed at Hope Gardens at 3:30 sharp.
Right.
And after that you have to park at Mona Prep School after. So please be on time. But this year we have a new initiative in terms of fundraising, which is really cool. We're gonna have a model school there that you can purchase a brick. So basically we're building brick by brick, you know, every meka muckle. So brick by brick to build our basic school. So, you know, you can bring a little extra change and buy a brick and get your name written on this school while you're there.
That's awesome.
Excellent. That's excellent. That sounds good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Initiatives like that, you know, make things like this worthwhile. You know what I mean? I really like that. I think it's awesome. You mentioned something a little bit earlier though, but you kind of skimmed over.
Oh, sorry.
When you said it was a powder, right?
Yes, so it's a powder charity run. So basically, you start the 5K at every kilometer. We have a different color powder for you. The idea is that you can come dressed in white. You don't have to, but at the end, you're going to be totally colored. So your white shirt will now be all rainbow.
Yes.
And it's just a fun, you know, something different and fun.
Right. And the charity is to build more basic schools. How many has Kind Heart Foundation built thus far?
Okay, so Kind Hearts Foundation, we work with Food for the Poor, and so far we have built 7 schools in 7 years.
You've been several schools in 7 years. That's amazing.
We were actually the first Jamaican group, like family, to build 2 basic schools back to back. So we built 2 basic schools last year, literally one after the other in 2 weeks. So, you know, we are really excited and we want to build more schools. So everybody needs to come out to the run so that we can continue, you know, to give back to our communities.
Tell us about the sign-in process. How does one sign up for the run?
Okay, so we have a few different ways. We try to make it easy so you can go online. Everybody's heard of Running Events. So Running Events Limited has partnered with us. You can go to their website or you can go to We Got the Run's website, or you can call into our offices, the Stewart's Automotive Group, and just ask for the team that's dealing with Color Me Happy and we'll help you. You don't have to do anything. We'll do everything for you.
That's amazing. And this run is for everybody, right?
Yes.
Doesn't matter what age they are. Everyone can come.
It's up to parents what age they want to start bringing their kids. Usually around, you know, if they're about 10, they're totally fine. If you want to bring younger kids, you can. We've seen moms, you know, running with their little joggers and stuff. It's really a family event, so it's up to the parents, you know, what age they feel comfortable bringing their kids. But we want everyone to feel included, and it's for the kids. Education is for the kids.
I see here that the registration is $2,000. Tell us what comes in the kit, because I know these registration kits always have a lot of, you know, added stuff.
Okay, so it is $2,500, I think, for individuals. However, if you have groups of 10 or more, so if you want to put together a school group or a company group or just some friends, it's only $1,500 per person if you do a group. Also, because we only have a party, if you're like, forget running, I just want to come for the party, it's just $1,000. And tickets for the party will be sold at the gate. So when you do register with us, you get your little bib and your bands and everything that will let you into the party. And we have chip timing. So even though this is a fun run for families, you serious runners, we still have your chip timing. So, you know, you don't have to be at the front to win. It will be based on your time.
Wow.
Awesome
Okay.
stuff.
That's pretty good. Color Me Happy Run. And that's happening, what's the date for that?
Saturday, September 14th.
September 14th.
And we try to be there early, but the run is starting off at 4. Warm-up is at 3:30, but definitely we're starting at 4 sharp. And as I said before, the gates for parking in Hope Gardens will be closed at 3:30 to make, you know, the route safe for our runners.
How can we find you on social media for more info?
Color Me Happy. We have a handle, Color Me Happy, JA, I think.
And for those of us watching
Sorry.
that's wondering, is this starting at 4 o'clock in the morning, a.m.
sorry.
or 4
No.
p.m.?
Sorry, it's PM. Sorry.
Oh, okay. I was like,
we're an
wait.
afternoon run.
You
I was
the
like,
many runs.
okay.
You know the many runs.
Cool. All right, thank you so much for joining us on the show. That is amazing, and I can't wait for all the colors be coming. We had a great show today. I really enjoyed
Yeah, man,
myself.
awesome.
It's really awesome.